I wake up this morning with energy flowing through my body. I remind myself that today is a new chance to grow, to learn, and to speak better English. I open my eyes and choose gratitude as my first thought. This is the beginning of my journey, and I am ready. I tell myself, I am strong, I am capable, I am learning every day. My voice carries power when I speak, even if my words are simple. Every sentence I say is a step toward confidence. I feel proud of myself for showing up this morning. I breathe deeply and repeat. Today I grow in my mind and I grow in my English. Each repetition makes my belief stronger. Each word connects me with my goals. I feel alive and motivated to keep moving forward. I stand tall and imagine success already in my hands. I see myself speaking English with clarity and confidence. I see people listening to me and understanding me. I smile because I know this future is mine. Every challenge I face today is not a problem, it is training. For my mind, every mistake in English is not failure, it is practice. I embrace mistakes because they make me stronger. I am brave enough to keep going. I look at the morning light and let it fill me with energy. The sun reminds me of growth, of new beginnings, of endless chances. I say, I start my day in English. I start my day with power. My words shape my reality. I repeat to myself, I am consistent. I am disciplined. I am unstoppable. These words guide my actions, and my actions build my future. With every affirmation, I am programming my mind for success. I remind myself, confidence is not perfect. English it is speaking without fear. I choose courage over perfection. I choose practice over silence. I choose growth over excuses. My inner voice tells me, you are enough. You are capable. You are learning. I feel calm and strong at the same time. The more I repeat these words, the deeper they enter my heart. I believe in me. I say out loud every day, I am better. Every day I am learning. Every day I am stronger. This rhythm gives me momentum. My body feels the energy. My mind feels the progress. I know that this challenge is not only about English, it is about discipline. It is about proving to myself that I can create habits. It is about building mental strength. Each morning is another victory. I repeat in English, I can do it. I can learn. I can grow. These simple phrases become my mantra. I let them echo in my mind and in my heart. I let them shape who I am becoming. I imagine my future self thanking me for starting today. That version of me speaks with confidence. That version of me travels, connects, and lives freely. I know that future is waiting for me, and I am walking toward it now. I feel proud for taking action when many people only dream. I feel proud for practicing even when it feels difficult. I feel proud for believing in myself when doubts appear. Pride becomes my fuel to keep going. I remember that success is built step by step, word by word. I do not need to rush. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to continue, to persist, to repeat. Progress is inevitable when I stay consistent. I place my hand on my heart and say, I love the process. I trust the journey. I enjoy the growth. This practice makes me feel powerful inside. My heart beats with motivation. I think of the power of my voice. My voice is unique, valuable, and strong. When I speak in English, I connect with the world. When I speak, I express my truth and share my light. I repeat, I believe in myself. I believe in my progress. I believe in my future. Faith is my foundation. Discipline is my path. Success is my destination. I feel energy flowing through my body like a river of strength. My words become fuel for my spirit. My thoughts become fire for my mind. I am unstoppable this morning. I remember that learning English opens doors. It opens opportunities for travel, work, and connection. It opens friendships and new experiences. Every word I practice brings me closer to freedom. I tell myself, I am patient with myself. I am kind to myself. I celebrate small wins. This patience keeps me calm. This kindness keeps me motivated. This celebration keeps me joyful. I see my mind as a garden. Every positive word is a seed. Every affirmation is water. Every day I return, the garden grows stronger. My mind is full of flowers of confidence. I repeat once more, I am capable. I am learning. I am proud. These words echo like music inside me. They lift my spirit higher. They remind me of who I am. I know that today will bring challenges, but I am prepared. I know doubts may appear, but I am stronger. I know mistakes will happen, but I will learn from them. Nothing can stop me. I open my arms wide as if embracing the day. I welcome every experience. I welcome every lesson. I welcome every opportunity to grow. I say in English, good morning, success. Good morning, confidence. Good morning, progress. Speaking these words makes them real. Speaking them makes me feel alive. I think of this as training for my mind, like exercise for my muscles. The more I practice, the stronger I become. The more I repeat, the more natural it feels. My progress is guaranteed. I tell myself, I am not afraid of effort. I am not afraid of practice. I am not afraid of growth. These words give me courage. Courage opens the door to new opportunities. I feel light and powerful at the same time. My body stands tall. My voice is firm. My spirit is unshakable. This is how I choose to start my day. I take another deep breath and fill my lungs with energy. Breathing connects me to the present moment. Breathing makes me feel grounded. Breathing makes me strong. I repeat, today is my day. Today I take action. Today I grow. Each phrase is a decision. Each decision is power. Each repetition is transformation. I see myself walking forward with confidence. Each step is clear. Each word is strong. Each thought is positive. I am on the right path. I remind myself that my mind listens to my words. If I say I can, I will. If I say I am strong, I become strong. If I say I will succeed, success will come. My words create my future. I say I am grateful for this morning. I am grateful for this practice. I am grateful for this chance. Gratitude fills me with joy. Gratitude makes me rich inside. Gratitude makes my day powerful. I focus on one simple phrase. I am growing. I repeat it again and again. I feel it becoming true. Growth is my nature. I let English flow naturally through me. I do not need to be perfect. I only need to speak, to repeat, to trust. My progress is already happening. I tell myself, every word I say makes me better. Every practice makes me stronger. Every morning makes me new. This is my truth. This is my motivation. This is my journey. I repeat louder. I am ready. I am powerful. I am unstoppable. My voice grows with conviction. My spirit rises like the morning sun. My belief becomes unbreakable. I think about discipline as my superpower. Discipline is stronger than motivation. Discipline is stronger than fear. Discipline carries me forward even on difficult days. I remind myself, this is only the beginning. Every day adds to my story. Every practice adds to my skills. Every morning builds my future. I smile at the thought of who I am becoming. Strong, confident, fluent, motivated. This is the version of me I am creating. This is the life I am building. I say again, I choose progress. I choose courage. I choose English. Each choice shapes my identity. Each choice defines my journey. Each choice makes me unstoppable. I let the power of the morning fill me with determination. This is my foundation. This is my practice. This is my victory. I know that success is already inside me. I only need to show up every morning. I only need to repeat, to believe, to act. Success is already mine. I finish with my final affirmation. I am ready for today. I am ready to grow. I am ready to succeed. My day begins with power. My journey continues with fire. My future shines bright.